This is a pack of Instant Pot electric pressure cooker. This has 7-in-1 functionality, including pressure and slow cook. There you go. It is available in multiple sizes. This one is 3 quarts. The material here is stainless steel, and it looks to be very well constructed. This control panel is easy to use, and the panel includes a digital display. Here we have a total of 13 customizable smart programs to choose from. The button sizes are big, and they are easy to select. Here is the lid. This is dishwasher safe. This is the steam release valve. Here is the steam release switch. Choose between seal and vent options here. And this is the float valve. This is the marker for the lid position. The grip on the lid handle feels comfortable. Here is the gasket under the lid for secure fit. This is the stainless steel inner pot, which is fingerprint resistant. And this size is ideal for 3 people. There are measuring markings inside the pot. Here is the heating element in the exterior pot. The handle grip feels comfortable as well. The package also includes a rack to steam veggies, power cord, a condensation collector, and a user manual. Let's try this now. We will make it ready for a pressure cook. Close the lid. Select the pressure cook option. And adjust the timer according to your need. There you go. After it is done cooking, it keeps the food warm for you. Toggle to the vent option to release the steam. Make sure the float valve is down before you open the lid. Overall, ideal for smaller families, this electric pressure cooker is easy to maintain and use, and it is highly recommended.